Oh well, now we're leaving suburbia a little bit, and we're kind of heading into some even more unplowed territory. And it's deeper. It's oh shit. Yeah, it's things have been gathering a lot here. It's I'm getting some snow in my boots. These really aren't the best for this kind of deep snow travel. So, well, this isn't exactly the woodland I was talking about, but we're getting there. Just have to pass through a little bit of industry, and then we're there, I guess. Yeah, but you know, as you can see, even with a there's like a car road on the other side there. This is a very small section of woodland, but yeah, as you can see, it's already looking a little dreamy already with all the snow coating going on. All right, back in a moment. Here's a bit of that industry I was talking about. I just walked from there under a fucking car road, and yeah, here's a little bit of woods kind of just surrounding this bit of industry here. It's yeah, it's pretty neat. Well, even in the industry area, it's still not very well paved. It's just a little bit of paving here for the car road and some shit. Oh, somebody likes opium, I see. Well, it's the woods are just ahead there. There's like a hill right straight ahead, and then once you get past that hill, you get to this little this wood area. It's whatever. Holy shit! Even this pathway for pedestrians doesn't seem to be paved yet. That's kind of funny. Yeah, shit. only some other person has been here before me. Shit. Well, there's that hill, and then straight ahead, leaving all this industry behind, you see a little bit more wood than what we've been through so far. Well, here we are. The gates to the well, you call it like a little pocket of woodland. People are kind of sort of sledding down the hill there, having some fun while it lasts. The snow, I mean. Yeah, so this is kind of an interesting patch of land. So you see this kind of rough sign here. So this is like a graveyard area, kind of. You have the chapel straight ahead. There it is, what little you can see of it. And so we are here, and then here's the graveyard area. And if you walk all the way up here, you get back to sort of the general area where I live. So yeah, let's walk around here a little bit so you can get a sense of scale of the place. It's not massive, but it's a very peaceful place. It's almost like a small resort, but not really a resort. But you can imagine if somebody converted that chapel into a hotel, damn, business would fucking go up in the area, I'm sure. Some more signs. Hunde! Anyway, as you can see, not too bad. If you're lucky, you might be able to see some wild animals here. I've seen, at least during the warmer months, I've seen some roe deer. I've seen some actual deer. Of course, you see the occasional hare as well. You know, the rabbit-like creatures. Gotta love them. I fucking love hare and I fucking love deer. They're very sweet and very dear to me. I guess it's less fun if you run into a moose, but you're not likely to. be surprised by a moose in daylight. If you're walking here through the evening and night, however, no, that's probably a bit more scary, but with all the snow around, you're at least likely to see something, even when it's really dark outside. So you can imagine during the time when there's no snow and it's really fucking dark outside, and somebody tells you, we saw a moose, or even two of them, over in that direction, and all you have is the illumination of these street lamps, and you're like, oh, cool. Yeah, I'm sure nothing's gonna charge at me from the side of the walkway. Yep, I feel safe. But enough about a moose. Look at all this fucking splendor here. I mean, okay, it's not the most magical shit of all time, maybe. But, well, it has its own charm. And gotta say, if it's not a youthful springtime weather outside, I sort of prefer to see everything just covered in snow. It's nice. You don't feel hot and bothered. It's just kind of fun. I guess you can like take some snow and make a ball out of that shit, roll it down a hill if you're into that kind of shit. Or you can just explore the woods. Oh shit. Well, the temperature is rising slowly. So while it's been 0 degrees outside throughout the last night and early morning hours, I don't know if it's dropping. It's kind of feeling a little cold still, and as you can see now, snow is falling. Shit, I guess it wasn't getting that much warmer after all. Well, shit, I hope this lasts for a while. Let's go into the graveyard here. Yeah, you can walk out to the graves, preferably if you don't step on the gravestones, or well, gravestones. I would like you to step on a gravestone. Just don't step on the graves themselves, I guess. I don't know, it's nice. So this is a larger patch here. If you walk past the graveyard, however, you get into the slightly more deeper woods. Yeah, I don't know. This is pleasant. And of course, not really much of any plowing has been going on here. Just some faint tracks. Look like animal tracks. They look too small to be people footsteps here. So we're just kind of just plowing through the snow. Shit, some of these can barely even be seen. There's one just kind of poking out. Shit. Oh, well done. All right. Pretty cool. Let's get a little deeper into the woods. Well, I just left the graveyard area, which is, you know, on the other side of this little barrier here. And damn, look at this. It's like I'm almost walking through a fucking winter woodland tunnel here. Shit. Yeah, as you can see, like, we have just barely left civilization here, and already I'm feeling kind of embraced by all of the snow stuff. Hey, look, Ma, it's fucking raining cocaine. Shit. And up ahead here, there's a small pond or whatever. Kind of want to show that. Let's run for a bit. Gotta go fast. Okay, that's a shit joke, whatever. Oh, damn, look at that shit. Holy fuck. And there's a tree that just fell over not too long ago. Stuck in the water. Holy shit. Look at that. Holy fuck. God damn it. Ooh, you can have yourself a little cozy time under this tree. Check this shit out. Damn, it's like I'm enveloped here. Hope this tree isn't gonna diddle me. No, it's no risk. Alright. So here's a fucking pond. I'm not sure if you could... It's like a small collection of water here. Yeah, you can see a little bit of what it's supposed to look like. Not a whole lot going on. Very intriguing. Well then. Holy shit! What the fuck? That was fucking awesome! Holy shit! Yeah, we're heading deeper into this motherfucker, alright? Let's go in here. Look at this shit. Here's a small pathway. Let's go explore. Oh shit, look at this. Foot tracks. Looks like some kind of... What's the term again? Looks like some kind of deer, to put it very bluntly. Yeah, shit, this is gonna be cool. Let's go deeper in here. Okay, I think I've seen something. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. I saw a pack of deer here. They were just sitting under that tree. I thought I saw something. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is fucking awesome. Fucking cool shit. Wow, I actually got to see some fucking wild deer. Oh dear, oh dear. Damn. Fucking neat. Now you can see that we're really knee deep in the woods here. Very cool stuff. Okay, these trees are a little more naked than they probably were before. But still, I mean, this ain't too bad. I hope the snowfall picks up a bit. Well, I'm not expecting it to pick up too fast anytime right now, but as the day goes along, shit. This is pretty interesting. See if we can find anything else of interest here. Oh hey, here's like a little small river. Oh, not river, it's like kind of like it's like a small stream here. Shit. Got some snow. Some lump of snow fell from a tree right on my shoulder. Yeah, things are, I guess, not too stable everywhere. Oh, that's kind of neat. Give it enough time and even this stream will freeze up, at least somewhat. So let's just walk. Let's just follow this side of the stream for now. Someone been walking their dog. I don't think there are wolves around these parts, even if there were. Well, I mean, I wouldn't sweat it too much. What's really nice about these parts of the woods is that you can see pretty far, despite it being very much untouched woods here. The fuck was that noise? I heard like a big crack sound. Damn. Lots of interesting sounds around here. So if you got good eyesight, you can probably see some wild animals waltzing through here every once in a while.